When I was a student in college, I belonged to the Pi Beta Phi. I wore my barrel so shiny, a symbol of sisterhood ties. Ring ting, ring ting ting, ring ting ting. Pi Beta Phi, Pi Beta Phi, Pi Beta Phi. Ring ting ting, ring ting ting. Pi Beta Phi. I belong to the Pi Beta Phi. Ring ting.
A lot of challenges to something very, very...
One of the most intriguing and inspiring things about Monmouth for Lovie and me from the beginning was the college's long commitment to the empowerment of women, signified especially by the fact that with the founding of Pi Beta Phi, the women's fraternity movement began here. Mary McDill Knapheide was a model of the kind of woman nurtured by such a legacy.
She was a Pi Phi here. She was in a class of 35, and our great-grandmother was the 44th member of IC Cirrhosis, the predecessor of Pi Beta Phi. So, and Vicki, my sister, was a Pi Phi at Arkansas. So we have a lot of Pi Phi tradition in the house.
It seemed in the beginning when we started on this back in August, it didn't seem like we'd ever get there. But it's been fun along the way. It's been a lot of work, but it's all been worth it. And the girls are so happy and they are really enjoying it, and so am I. So it's a thrill. It really is.
Well, hopefully it'll be attractive to future Pi Phis. That's our wish, you know. It's really quite a story with Pi Phi being the first women's fraternity nationally. So it's more than just a typical sorority. It's quite a historic spot.
Pi Beta Phi, Pi Beta Phi, ring ting ting, ring ting ting, Pi Beta Phi. I belong to the Pi Beta Phi, ring ting. All right.